Hey, hi folks. Welcome back. Today we are going to discuss or perform a practical on deploying and configuring a virtual machine on a EXSI. We are going to start with the practical. First we are going to create a VMware. Then we are going to install an operating system or a guest operating system on and going to disable the Windows update. So basically we are going to install a Windows OS on with the help of EXSI. And lastly, the third process, we are going to install VMware tools and install the files. Okay, so let's start. So let me just show you what we require. So in previous case, we have already have been installed the EXSI and we are good to go with that. And we have seen the graphical view of that EXSI by browsing to the IP address. And for this we require any OS, so I'm going to use a Windows 8.1 OS. So let's start. So when navigating to the graphical view, okay, so just click on a create and register a VM. Now to start the process, so creating a new virtual machine, we're going to select not the deploy or register a virtual machine. Next, define name to a virtual machine. So I'm going to define a VM where okay we just type the data. So click on this. So which ghost say not a ghost case operating family we are going to select. We are going to select a Windows, which will be a version 8.1. So it will be a 60. I have the 64-bit file with me, so I'm going to select this one. Next, now this is the storage where our VM will be stored after creating, not in our local or on our PC. It will store in our EXSI data centers. So next, now this is a requirement. So CPU has been given to the this is 1, RAM is 2, so yeah, let it be 2, and this is the storage has been 32 GB. And now looks good. And there is no need for changing any configuration. Next, so this is a summary page where you can just see the what configuration has been selected, storage area, RAM, CPU, network which has been given, and finish. So if you go and see over here, like there is a one VM has been appear. So clicking on a VM machine, you can see our VM has been there. So before going to this, we are going to install one VM tools. So right clicking on a created a VM console, download a VMRC. So it will navigate to your VMware custom portal, you can say, where all the products of the VMware is available. So we need to download VMRC. So you can select any one of this and then download. So I have already have with me, so I'm not going to download this, and I will start. So I'm going to right click. It's not even appearing. So let me just power on. So if you just see double clicking, it will start in a separate pop-up window or browser pop-up window. So if you want to launch in a console launch a remote console. So it will ask you for the opening of which VMware workstation. So I'm going to select yes, connect anyway. So you can see it's started, but if you can remember, we have not specified like OS to this system, so we are going to define a or give a OS path. So let me just close this, go to the storage area, this, and you can see like this is a data browse, and we just define a new directory, ISO, create directory, and ISO. I'm going to upload that OS. So the practical 2, okay, so practical 3, 8.1 open. So it will take few minutes to load that OS4 file, ISO file on a ESXi data store. So just wait for a few minutes. So guys, it is uploaded, so let's close it. Onto the VM. Let me start this VM first. So edit this. Okay, this is the same VM machine which we created. So just go on edit virtual machine. Over here, CD and ROM. Use the ISO image. Browse. Look in data. So select the data stored one. ISO file folder which we have created. Double click, select the ISO file and open. Now press OK and power on it. So it will start. Now you can see this is like the sorry, the Windows OS. So it will take couple of minutes. Now just do the necessary things which we require to set. Next, install now. For me, I don't have any product key, or I have, so I will just type over here and do for next and process, and I will just install this. So the Windows OS will be installed on the virtual machine, and this was the practical number 2-3. You can say creating a virtual machine and deploying and configuring a VMware. So that's it. Thank you.